In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators to Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a big project or just want to share your schedule with friends or colleagues, Google Calendar makes collaboration easy and efficient. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can get started inviting collaborators in no time. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar in your web browser. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar grid of dates and times showing your current agenda and upcoming commitments. The next thing you need to do is to locate the gear icon. You'll find this handy little icon in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. A drop down menu will appear and you'll want to select settings from that menu. Entering the settings page is the first step to getting your calendar ready to share with others. Now on the left side of the settings page, look for the section labelled Settings for My Calendars. Here you'll see a list of all the calendars you've created or have access to. Click on the specific calendar you want to share. This could be your main calendar or a specific project calendar, whatever suits your needs. Once you've selected the calendar, you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to that calendar's settings. Scroll down until you find the Shared With section. This is where you'll add collaborators. You'll notice an option to add people and groups. Click on that and a pop-up will appear where you can enter email addresses. Simply type in the email address of the person or group you want to invite. This action will send them an invitation to collaborate on your calendar. After you've entered the email addresses, you'll see a permission drop-down menu. This is an important step because it determines how much control your collaborators will have over the calendar. You have a few options here. You can choose See Only Free/Busy, which hides the details of events. See All Event Details, which gives them a full view, make changes to events, allowing them to edit existing events or make changes and manage sharing, granting them full control just like you. Once you're satisfied with the permissions, the final step is to click on Send. This action sends an email invitation to your collaborators and they'll need to accept in order to gain access. And there you have it, you've successfully invited collaborators to your Google Calendar. Inviting collaborators to your Google Calendar is a powerful way to stay organized and keep everyone on the same page. With practice, it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy calendaring.